Toyota Highlander, and the engine oil change reminder light reset. And this is straight out of the Toyota factory service manual. So the trip light meter reset knob is located below the speedometer. Turn the ignition switches on, and then while it's on, press the ODO trip switch until the ODO meter appears, odometer meeting. And then turn the ignition switch off. And then what you're going to do is turn the ignition switch on while pressing and holding the trip reset knob. Hold the trip meter reset knob until the following conditions are met and 5 seconds have passed. The multi-information display shows resetting oil maintenance data. When the oil replacement reminder lights turn off, the reset is complete. To download the complete service manual, click the link below in the description.